you doing here? Hey, welcome to my vlog. I'm just getting off work. Company's gone into what's called a work share, so we all have to be out. We only work 32 hours for the week, and then we have to use, then we have to apply for unemployment, or we use our vacation time, which is what I do. It's too much of a hassle. But I'm out at 2:30 instead of my normal 3:30 or 4:30. And I just got in the truck, and something has decided to enjoy my Wendy's my Wendy's shake. And that wasn't like that when I got in it this morning and I came to work. I just left it like that. So big old hole. So that means I've got a mouse living in my escape still. So I guess when they take up residence, they never leave, and they could care less if you're in it or not. So, but it's a big old hole. I don't know. I'm gonna check when I get home. I wonder if he fell in and drowned. But as you can see, it chewed around outside and decided to see what was in there. But I don't know. Maybe it fell in. My wife has appears to have a friend in her glove compartment in the Explorer. So it definitely is enjoying whatever I leave behind. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. We'll catch you on the next. I'm gonna call this What's New. Actually, I'm going to call this Mother Nature's Friends. I am home. And my question is it actually in here? Did it fall in? Nah. Cover off and find out here. Cut perfectly circle, but see if it fell in here and drowned. Nope. Nope, didn't fall in there and drown. Just got a perfectly round circle in my container. Great. All right, well, answers that question.